Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the last video we saw the various types of operators that are used in Python. In this video we will see the different loops that are used in Python. So let's start the presentation. So first of all we will discuss what are actually loops and for what purpose the loops are used. Then we will discuss the types of loops that are for loop, while loop, nested for loops, nested while loops, and nested for while loops. We will also execute some examples by using the PyCharm. Now, what are basically loops? Loops are used to execute a statement or a group of statements multiple times. If the condition defined at the start of the loop is true, the body of the loop will be executed. As soon as the condition becomes false, the loop stops. So that is the basic structure of a simple loop. The loop will basically check for the condition. If the condition is satisfied, then the loop will continue to run. As soon as the condition becomes false, the loop will stop to operate and it will go into the exit mode. So these are the various types of loops that are used in Python. There are while loops, for loops, and nested loops. The nested loops are further classified into three categories, that is nested for loops, nested while loops, nested for loops, and nested for while loops. So first of all, what is basically while loop? So the while loops are also called conditional loops because these loops are executed until and unless some conditions are met. The number of times the loop will execute is not fixed. It means that the while loop is only used for a certain condition. The syntax of the while loop is such that we write an expression. After expression we write the colon, and after that we write the statements, which is also known as the body of the loop. Next, the for loop. The for loop is executed for a specific number of times. It means that the for loops are basically used with some boolean expressions and some ranges, etc. The syntax of for loop is such that the after for we write variables in certain range. After range we write colon, and below that we write the statements. The number of statements can vary from example to example. So that's the body of the for loop. Now let's go to PyCharm to execute some examples. So first of all, let's use the while loop. Let's consider an example that I want to print my numbers from 1 to 100. So for that I will set my counter as 0. Then I will write the while loop, that is while count is less than 100. After the expression I have placed the colon, and it is the body of the loop. So count plus is equal to 1. It means that my count will be incremented by 1 after each run of the loop. Then I want to print my count. So let's execute the code to see the output. The numbers will be printed from, as you can see that my numbers have been printed from 1 to 100. So that's a simple while loop. Now let's write a simple code for the for loop. Let's assume that I want to print the days of the week from Monday to Sunday. So let's define a list that contains the days of the week. first of all Monday, and so on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and finally Sunday. So my if I execute the for loop such that the loop will print each day of the week just once. So I can write my loop such that the for day in days print current day, and after that I want to print my day. So let's execute the code. It will print that the days from Monday to Sunday. So it means that the number of times this loop will execute are fixed because the number of days are fixed in my list. So that's my for loop. Now going towards the nested loops. First of all, the nested for loops. So let's assume that I want to print my table that contains the multiplication from 1 to 10. The multiplication table from 1 to 10. So I have defined two loops, that is the outer loop and the inner loop. The outer loop, the outer for loop contains the range from 1 to 11. It means that this loop will execute from 1 to 10. The inner loop also contains the same range, and then I want to multiply my two numbers, that is A and B, and finally print them. So let's execute the code to see the output. So as you can see that my table has been printed that contains the multiplication of these two numbers, that is A and B. That is the table of 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Now go to the nested while loops. So let's assume that I want to print my numbers from 1 to 7, and I want to print these numbers 5 times in a row. So I have defined two loops, that is the outer loops. uh, I have defined a variable I, then I have set a condition such that I is less than or equal to 5. Then I have set another condition, that is j is less than or equal to 7. So my loop will execute, my outer loop will execute 5 times, and my number will be printed. So let's execute the code. As you can see that my numbers have been printed 5 times, that is from 1 to 7. So that's all about the nested for loop. Now finally, here is another interesting example, that is the nested for while loop. In this example, I have defined a list that contains the names of 3 colors, that is green, yellow and blue. I want to print these colors, that is 3 times, and each color I want to print 4 times. So let's execute the code. So each of my color has been printed 4 times, while the loop will run 3 times because the number of list contains only 3 colors, that is green, yellow and blue. So the outer loop will be executed 3 times, while the inner loop will be executed 4 times. So that's all about the various loops that are used in the Python. In the next video, we will see some more examples from PyCharm. Stay tuned from my upcoming videos. Allah Hafiz.